Morning guys, Chris from Stoked for Travel here. Welcome back to the channel. Now if you followed my last video, you will realise that I've started to try foil surfing. And if you've watched that video, you'll also know the first attempt was an absolute disaster. So I've decided to enlist some professional help, and I booked myself onto an eFoil lesson just so I can figure out the weight distribution, figure out what it feels like to go on foil. So I'm now down in Ballina. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Lovely and glassy out there. So yeah, I'm going to join the crew from Earth Kitsurfing, and they're going to be running me through the basics. Hopefully I'll get up on foil today. It'll teach me a few core things, and then I can take it back in the ocean and we can go from there. So yeah, once again, wish me luck. Well guys, that was a chalk and cheese session compared with my first time in the ocean on a foil board. eFoil just made everything much more simple. I managed to stand up, which is incredible. I got some turns in. I did fall off a few times, but you know, that's to be expected at this stage of the learning process. But now I understand the concept of the foil, how my weighting needs to be, the pump to get the foil engaged and get that lift. It's just a game changer, I think. I think I'm going to hopefully be able to take these skills, transfer them in the ocean. It's definitely going to expedite my learning process. So if you are learning to foil surf, guys, I definitely recommend an eFoil lesson just to get the basics down, get the feeling, get the whole process kind of nailed. And again, compared with surfing, you're spending so much time on lift, on foil, that you can practice. And like, you know, that was an hour-long session. I spent a lot of time actually foiling, which was incredible. So big thanks to Aaron from Earth Kitsurfing here in Ballina. If you are up this way in northern New South Wales, Byron and Lennox way, hit him up, do some lessons, get on the eFoil out on the Ballina River. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, excited to take all these skills, take them back in the ocean, probably be humbled again. But yeah, hopefully this is me well on my way to learning how to foil surf. So fingers crossed, and I'll see you next week. Like, comment, subscribe. You.